Hey guys, Useful Yields here. Apologies for getting this video out so late. I was back in my old house cleaning out some stuff, and I completely spaced this until right about when I was going to bed. So getting in and out now. So apologies again, but yeah, let's get started. As always, I like to go through the weekly funds first, so we can go through starting on Chippy. So Chippy is 42 cents compared to 40 cents, 3-month average. You can see there that the distribution trend seems to pretty much mellow out, uh, even though it's shown red. I think overall though, it's pretty much the same, while the price trend has increased, which is nice. GPTY at 32 compared to 30. LFGY 47 out of 50 compared to 50. All three of those are relatively the same every week. So QDTY 17 cents compared to 24 cents. So unfortunately a little bit lower there. RDTY 35 compared to 32. So a little bit above the 3-month average, but not too much. And STTY 15 cents compared to 21. A little bit low there as well. We got Ulti at 10 cents, which is its 3-month average as well. You can see it's kind of trading, somewhat sideways. We can pull that up real quick. If I go to, let's say, well, a week, well, even you know, a month average, you can see it's kind of trading sideways. So still has pretty good yield, but I don't know. I think a potential market crash could take that thing out, but who knows? I don't know. YMAG, we have 8 cents compared to 8 cents compared to 17 cents, so quite a big wipeout there, as well as if you look at that as well as YMAX, both their price distributions are very similar to Ulti in that they're trading sideways, so that's kind of unfortunate. Talking about YMAX, 16 cents compared to 17 cents, so right on average there. And I'm moving into the monthly funds. We have AIYY at 18 cents compared to 27 cents, both the price distribution and the distribution, or the price trend and the distribution trend are both low, are going down, so that's unfortunate. We have AMZY at 64 cents compared to 66 cents. Price trend is up. Distribution's a little bit lower than the average, but not too bad. APLY, we have 41 cents compared to 41 cents, so right on average there, despite the price trend taking quite a dip. We have Dizzo at 27 cents compared to 50 cents, so a huge spike on the distribution there compared to its 3-month average. MSTY, everyone's favorite, 118 compared to 169, so a little bit down there as well. And MSTY has not really looked good for the last month, down 8%, which really blows, but I should really add a percentage like difference between the last distribution or whatever for like a 1 month. Anyways, SMCY we have 100 or 185 compared to 153, so a little bit well, not a little bit, quite a good amount above, and you can see the price trend as well. WNTR 166 compared to 255, so quite a dip in there, both the distribution and trend. XYZY, we have 68 cents compared to 58 cents. So, yeah, pretty decent there. Price is kind of interesting, but last but not least, we have YQQQ at 18 cents compared to 31 cents. So, quite a bit big dip there. Now that we're back into the bull run, coming off of the bear. So, overall, I'd say, not a amazing month. I'd say a lot of the weekly funds are doing decent, but a lot of this group's distributions for this month are kind of low. Or maybe not their distributions. Their distributions are somewhat okay, but a lot of their prices are just not very healthy right now. So, in terms of my weekly winner, I guess based on the distribution per share, I would say I think it's SMCY at $1.85. I'll confirm that. Yep, SMCY at $1.85, and the distribution rate is also SMCY at 100%. So that's pretty cool. That's one of the few companies that actually did pretty obviously well this time around. Some of these, like I said, Like, I guess Amazon did pretty decent, but some of these are a lot of these are trading sideways. So anyhow, guys, that is it for me. And as always, I wish you guys a wealthy future.